Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's video was created because I received this email concerning a video I produced on May 3rd of 2021. The email regards a privacy complaint from an anonymous individual in the video. Within 48 hours, the video will be removed if I don't fix the issue. However, the general gist of YouTube's privacy policy is that a person must be uniquely identifiable by image, voice, full name, social security number, bank account number, or contact information for content to be subject to removal. This means a video should have enough details that people can recognize the complainant and not confuse them for anyone else. While the original video does show a man's face, no names or other identifying information was provided. Regardless, the video offers valuable information and explores the idea that our constitutional rights are in grave danger, not only because state officials violate them and are protected in doing so through qualified immunity, but also because an alarmingly high percentage of US citizens haven't a clue or the brainpower to think about what they are, why they're so important, and how they're applied to our daily life. If you've seen this video, I apologize for the rerun. If not, enjoy. I have re-edited it to ensure that this egregious and arbitrary privacy complaint does not eliminate the opportunity for others to learn about our rights because of one clown's bruised ego.
Well, you came up, you approached me, so I'm filming you. I'm not trying to start anything.
I'd like to report a trespasser.
What a liar. Gee whiz.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story comes from Jawtooth, a train enthusiast that films his passion for locomotives. I want to be honest about this video right up front here. There is no police interaction in this video, and I considered scrapping this project based on that alone. I asked for permission to run this and Jawtooth gave his consent. Then a couple of comments popped up in support of the idea, but I still wasn't sold on running it until Sketchy Plainsman commented, in which he said that he wished he could super unsubscribe from my channel and that I had veered from police and constitutional accountability. That the upcoming video is of a man pestering private industry employees that have to work in public and that they have so many rules to follow and that if they mess up, they could be terminated. There's a lot to unpack there, but I'd like to start with the initial accusation that I've abandoned police and government accountability. I think my uploads page tells a different story. I still can't find a single video I've done in which a private citizen is the focus. Next is the rail workers having to work in public. There are many jobs in which you are not required to work in public. The rail workers chose to do so. There is no expectation of privacy in public. Most rail companies equip their trains with videos and audio devices. Most homes the trains pass have surveillance equipment that captures them driving by, and the state has video cameras everywhere. In just a few years, they'll probably have a camera on every streetlight in America. Let's not forget his concern for constitutional accountability, not just from the state, but from private citizens as well. Sketchy knows that filming is legal. Isn't protecting Jawtooth's ability to film from a public sidewalk of particular interest to the Constitution? I would say it is, which brings us finally to the video. Jawtooth was filming a train crossing over a road when the conductor stopped to approach him about filming.
Okay, everyone, I'm in Franklin, Ohio. The train's getting ready to back across the road here. Let's check this out. You'll see how they flagged this crossing. The guy has to actually get off the train because they're shoving, they're reversing towards their customer. So he's going to have to get off the train, flag the crossing. So check this out.
One more now, one. That'll be good. Stop.
Can I talk to you for a minute?
Yeah, I guess so. Wants to talk to me for some reason.
Go ahead.
We got some cars here. Jack, can I help you?
I don't want to be filmed.
Okay.
You know, I'd appreciate it. I don't care that you film the equipment,
Yeah.
but the personnel, I'd appreciate if you don't film me, my brakeman. I'd appreciate. Take me off the.
You came up, you
please.
approached me, so I'm filming you.
Well, I'm being polite. I'm just asking. That's all I ask.
Okay. I mean, I'm
don't
being
wanna
polite
be
too. I'm just filming from public. That's all I'm doing. I'm not trying to start anything. Not filming much of him per his request, however he's going to get on video.
The train had to stop to ensure its safe passage across the street as it had no level crossing signals, but instead of just conducting his business, the employee approached Jawtooth while he was filming to request that he wouldn't film the personnel. Nothing wrong with asking, and the man was polite in doing so, but it always confuses me why anyone would approach a camera to request that they not be filmed. I imagine it rarely ever stops the recording. Jawtooth mentions in the video that this is the same guy who called him a loser on a previous encounter. In his earlier videos, he's shown conductors flipping him off and talking about getting his license plate number, all for filming.
I'd like to get his license plate today.
Why? I gave my license plate. What's he talking about?
The Department of Transportation website claims that over 400 deaths per year occur as a result of trespassing on the tracks, and that it is illegal to access private railroad property anywhere other than a designated pedestrian or roadway crossing. But you can clearly see that in the video, Jawtooth was never on the tracks and ensured that he was filming from a safe distance on public property. His videos are aimed towards the train, not the employees, and I see nothing wrong with it. What I have an issue with is when the rail employees call 911 and lie about the interaction they caused in an effort to have men with guns respond and endanger the life and violate the rights of an innocent spectator, which is exactly what happens next. Jawtooth has a radio in which he can listen to the traffic between the conductor and dispatch.
04, give me 4 cars.
I don't know why this bothers them so much.
More. 1. Be good for a minute. Come on, let's go 30. Holly, tone up the dispatcher.
Cool, school bus gets to stop for the train. Lucky kids. They went on it. There they go. They've got 2 industries on this spur to work. One on this side of the river, and then they've got the other one that they have to do the street running to get to. Well, that's about it.
I'd like to report a trespasser here on the Franklin lead. I got a vehicle with a description of the individual, not a license plate.
Better radio, I cannot make you out.
Wait a
Call
minute.
you when it gets up in the engine. Okay.
Wow, you guys lying. I never trespassed. What a liar. Gee whiz. Can't believe that guy saying I'm trespassing. Dang, I was way off railroad property. That guy, he's lying. I can't believe that. Well, I got it on video. What a liar. What's the matter with these guys?
The video continues, showing another street crossing and ends with the conductor stopping the train in an attempt to get Jawtooth's license plate.
I don't know why they cruise like that. They don't like me. I don't know why. I just film and show what it is. Let's see if we can get another shot of them up here. Guy already lied and said I was trespassing, and I wasn't. See if he said anything else. I might let him know I'm reporting him.
Filming from a public space is not only legal, it's a constitutional right. However, if you decide to call the police and file a report of a fake crime against someone else, it will be considered a false police report, which can be charged as a misdemeanor or a felony. Even worse are the dangers of requesting the dispatch of men with guns that hold a monopoly of the initiation of force for absolutely nothing. The point is that it isn't just the police or other state officials that can earn the title of tyrant. Part of the problem is average citizens that not only support this type of behavior, they champion it. Luckily, no officers responded, and Jawtooth has and will continue to film trains, and there ain't nothing wrong with that. If you like trains too and want to check out his work, head on over and let him know I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.